Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. Today, we are focusing on a diamond pattern created with a tassel in the middle. Begin by tying the two middle pieces of rope together using a double half-hitch knot. We will now work on the right side of the diamond. Working down and to the right, tie two diagonal double half-hitch knots. Move on to the left side of your work. Working down and to the left, tie two diagonal double half-hitch knots. Tie two more double half-hitch knots on both sides of your work. Cut 5 pieces of rope. Each piece is 6 inches or 15 centimeters long. Brush out your rope. Pull the double half-hitch knot down your filler cord to make it easier to add your tassel. Using a crochet hook, pull the brush string through the right side of your diamond. Once you've added your tassel, push the knot back up the filler cord. Repeat this process on the left side of your work. Bring the string to the front of your work and tie a double half-hitch knot to connect the two sides of your work. Brush out your string. Cut the string with scissors for a neat finish. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.